So the Christmas holidays are here and people are looking for more juice recipes to add to their Christmas and New Year menu, okay? So today's juice recipe, we are going to be doing something a little bit different. We are going to be juicing sweet potatoes for the first time, okay? So for this recipe, we're only going to be needing 3 ingredients: sweet potatoes, carrots, and some ginger. Okay, I don't think I'll be using this whole ginger. I might end up using half of this. So let's prep the ingredients and get into the juicing. So I'm going to start by peeling the sweet potatoes. A lot of people didn't actually know that you can juice sweet potatoes, including me, okay, because like I said, this will be my first time juicing sweet potatoes. And this sweet potato juice is partially inspired by one juice brand that I used to buy when I used to buy store-bought juice, okay, the V8 brand. So every time I buy V8 juice, I always kind of look at the ingredients to see what fruits and vegetables they've used. And I think I've bought at least 3 of their juices where I checked the ingredients and I saw that they added sweet potato, okay? And I saw that sweet potato was part of the ingredient that they used in that juice. So I was always wondering, maybe one day I should try sweet potato juice. So finally, we are trying it today, okay? And we are doing it together. Sweet potato juice is actually very good for you. It has beta carotene. It has vitamin C, which is good for your skin. It also helps with digestion and, so many health benefits that you can really get from sweet potato juice. And the fact that I'm combining it with carrots, excellent, okay? I think you can also do it with some apple if you want it to be, if you want that sweetness. But I have carrot today, which is why I'm just going to do it with carrot. Alright, so I'm done peeling the sweet potato. So now I'm just going to cut it into small sizes. Really cutting it into small chunks because I'm not sure how my juicer is going to handle it, because I've not tried it in my juicer before. This is it. So I normally chop off the ends of the carrots before these parts. Sometimes I do, sometimes I just don't bother. So today's one of those days that I don't think there's need to chop up that part. Alright, so this is the amount of ginger that I have, and like I said, I don't think I want to use this whole ginger, so I'm just going to use like that, this size. Alright, so I'm done prepping all the ingredients and it's time to start juicing. And as usual, whenever I'm juicing any particular fruit or vegetable for the first time, I like to juice it alone on its own so that I can taste it and see what it tastes like. So I'm going to add all the sweet potatoes first because I want to taste it on its own to see what it tastes like, okay? Alright, so tasting time. Remember, this is the sweet potato on its own. This is the sweet potato juice. I'm going to taste it. My straw. I like the color. Look at the color. It's not even as sweet as I thought. I was expecting it to have like a really sweet taste, okay? Because I mean, it's called sweet potato, right? Anyways, the taste is nice, okay? but it will definitely taste better when you add carrot. So let's go ahead and add the carrot and the ginger. All right, so I'm adding the rest of the sweet potatoes. I'm also just going to add the carrots and the ginger. Alright, so this is all the juice that I got from the rest of the sweet potato and carrots. Okay, so now I'm going to do a second taste because this is the carrot, sweet potato and ginger all together. Okay. Oh, wow, this is really nice. I think I should have used a little less ginger because it feels like the ginger was a little bit too much. So yeah, next time when I'm making it, I think I'm going to try it with apple, with red apple or green apple. And yeah, I'll definitely use a little less ginger than I use now. But it tastes really good, okay? I think this will definitely be good to add to your Christmas drink menu, okay? So now I'm just going to put the rest of the juice into airtight containers and store them in the fridge. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. These are all the juices that I got. I do hope you enjoyed watching today's juice recipe, and if you are wondering whether you can juice sweet potato, then this video confirms to you that yes, you can definitely make a juice out of sweet potato, okay? And of course, you can add this to your Christmas or New Year drink menu, okay, to entertain your friends, your family or your visitors. Don't forget to also check out the link in my description box for my juice recipe ebook, okay? There you will find many more juice recipes that you can make for the Christmas holiday. You can make it for New Year, or you can even make these juice recipes part of your daily lifestyle routine, okay? Especially in the New Year 2026, if you are planning on starting a health and wellness journey, then I highly recommend some of these juice recipes because they will make a whole lot of difference in your health and wellness journey, okay? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.